There's a couple special cases where we have disjoint sets or subsets. Taking the disjoint sets, for instance, the intersection of A and B is actually going to be empty. There's no overlap in those sets. So if there's a disjoint set of sets or disjoint pair of sets, their intersection is empty. Okay. The intersection of two sets where one is a subset of the other will always be the smaller set. I think I explained this in a prior video. A intersect B here is just going to be A, because the smaller set is completely contained in the larger one, so every element of A is also an element of B, so the intersection, what's in both, is going to be everything in A, so everything in A is also in B. The cardinalities are also interesting. Actually, in the union here, the union of, when you have a subset situation, the union is going to be the bigger one. So the intersection is a smaller one, the union is the bigger one. Because you can do anything in A, anything in B, and anything in both. Well, the both basically duplicates all of A, so we've already explored that. You don't even need to include the both because you've already counted it for A. Here, the intersection, this is kind of interesting. We look at cardinalities. Obviously the cardinality of that intersection is 0. I guess maybe that's not so interesting in the case where they're disjoint. Okay, so again, where they're disjoint. The cardinality here is kind of interesting. Cardinality of A intersect B is obviously the cardinality of A, and the cardinality of the union is obviously cardinality of B. Maybe that's not so interesting. Seems a bit redundant now that I'm looking at it. Seems more interesting as I was thinking it through. Yeah, that'll work. What is interesting here is the cardinality of the union of disjoint sets. Right, the cardinality of the union. Well, it's just A plus B. When we do the subtraction of the intersection, since the intersection is 0, we don't really have to subtract anything. We're not double counting anything when they're disjoint. So it's simply the cardinality of A plus the cardinality of B. That's it. Okay, you don't have to do the extra subtraction like we did when they did overlap. Again, that's just because the intersection has no elements in it. Okay.